Nelson's English School subject Computer Standard 3rd. Hardware and software. See here some picture of hardware and software. Lesson number 3. Hardware and software. Introduction. As you know, computer is an electronic machine. It is mainly combination of hardware and software. We will discuss these two components to understand their importance and cover the uses of some essential hardware software required for the working of computer system. The components of computer that you can see and touch are called hardwares. Some of these parts are visible outside the CPU box like keyboard, monitor, mouse, speaker, etc. While others are inside the CPU box like hard disk, sound card, CPU fan, motherboard, CPU chips, etc. Some of the commonly used hardware components are keyboard, mouse, microphone, monitor, and speakers. Keyboard. Keyboard is an input device which is used to enter data and instruction into a computer system. A keyboard has many keys on it, like alphabet keys A to Z, numbers key 0 to 9, and some other special keys like enter, backspace, caps lock, arrow, etc. These keys are used by the computers for typing text on the computer. A standard keyboard has 104 keys on it. Mouse. Mouse is input device. A mouse is also known as a pointing device. It has two buttons, left and right, and a scroll wheel. By using mouse, you can point at, click, double click, right click, drag and scroll on the monitor screen. The mouse without wire is called cordless mouse or wireless mouse. Microphone. A microphone is used to input record voice or other sound into the computer system. It is mostly used for doing communication on the computer. Microphone is an input device that converts sound into an electrical signal. Monitor. Monitor is an important component of a computer system which gives us the output of results produced by computer. A monitor is also known as Visual Display Unit (VDU). It displays the work that you done on the computer. The output of this display is called soft copy output. Monitors come in CRT and TFT models. Nowadays, TFT monitors are more popular because of their sleek shape and lightweight. TFTs are available in LCD, liquid crystal display, and LED, light emitting diode technologies. Speakers. Speakers are also used to listen to recorded songs, voice, speech, and other sounds from the computer. Speakers is output device which is connected with a computer system to give us the sound output from the computer. Printer. A printer helps you to take your work on a paper. It means the printer prints on a paper the same work that is shown on the monitor. A printer is called output device. Printed paper is called printout. Laser printer and inkjet printer are widely used for printing work on a paper. CPU, Central Processing Unit. CPU box is the main data processing unit of a computer system to which all other hardware components are connected through a main electrical board called motherboard. Some other hardware components which are inside the CPU box are hard disk, CD/DVD drive, CPU chip, memory, power supply, etc. It executes the instruction from the user. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It controls the working of computer and its various parts. It is also known as the brain of computer. Here, some hardware components which are inside the CPU box are hard disk, DVD drive, CPU chips, RAM, motherboard. These all physical components of a computer system are known as hardware. Software. The programs and other operating information used by computer are called software. Software is a set of instruction, data or programs used to operate computers and execute specific tasks. Example of application include Office suite, database programs, web browser, word processor, software development tools, images, image editors and communication platform.
Software. Although hardware components from a computer system, but these hardware components are not enough to solve the user's problem. It needs user's instructions or set of instructions to work. This set of instruction or programs are called software. Let us understand with the help of example. We use a DVD player to listen music or to play the movies stored in DVDs. We can see the DVDs as these are on hardware, but we cannot see the movies or song stored in this without playing them on the DVD player. So these songs or movies are the software components. Another example of software is the program which we see on our TV or LCD LED system, and the TV LCD LED is the hardware. Similarly, in the computer also, there are many programs which help this machine to work or to solve our problems. These are software. The programs which help a computer to work are called system software, like Linux, Ubuntu, Windows, Mac OS, whereas the programs which help the users to do particular tasks are called application software, like TuxPaint, ColorPaint, etc. A computer without software is like a body without soul, which cannot do anything for us. Similarly, a software without the proper hardware cannot help us to do anything. That's why we say that both the components complement each other to solve the user's problem. A set of instructions stored together as a single unit to solve common problems is called program or computer software.
Thank you, children.